Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is a Christmas journal and it is, I think it's mainly ARTYmaze in here. If there's anything else, I will mention it as I go through. I love this paper, that is from ARTYmaze, and I think that's actually a freebie, which is possibly over on our coffee shop. So the journal measures, I don't think I've written anything down, it measures 8 by 4 3/4 and it has one signature. There is 40 pages front and back. The image here is from one of ARTYmaze's kits. What I will do is I will link all of the Christmas kits in one link below to ARTYmaze, and you can go over and check that out. So here is some little pieces here that are, I've used resin on them. I got this to have a go with that. So, and I've got one of the, the things you dry your nails with. So that works well with that. Literally a minute and they're dry. So that is the little pieces that I've resined. I've done 2 other pieces, right? But this one I blocked the hole up with, and believe it or not, it is like glass. I was trying to go through it with like my awl, a little needle. I'll need to get a drill out and get the finest drill piece to do that. I'll have to get myself a little Dremel or something like that. And then this piece, there was just a little bit of blobbing, and it's quite sharp, but that can be sanded down. But love the noise that makes. And if you are using resin, make sure you wear gloves and in a well ventilated area, and wear a mask if you have one. So anyway, that's them. This will be for sale in my shop if you're interested. I'll have a direct link to that below. Excuse my chair squeaking away. I'm just going to lift my camera a little bit. And the lighting in here is absolutely rubbish. I need to get spotlights so that I can aim lights around the room. Anyway, so we will go inside. We've got some lace trims along there. I done a craft with me with the clusters that I made. So this paper's from ARTYmaze, and like I said, I can't remember which ones are which now. I've got them all in a folder. Just open them up and I just click print. But all the clusters were made from scrap pieces. Well, mainly, I would say 95% was scrap pieces. These little pieces I did print out for that. That is from, I can't remember who that's from. That was them 38p kits that I bought the other week. Here I just done some collaging. This background tag is a freebie over on my coffee shop. I used a bit of dictionary page there, a ticket there, and then these are actually from Tsunami Rose, and these images there are from TaylorMadeJournals. This is ARTYmaze, and we've got a little tab there and more clusters there, little journal card here and a tag, some lined paper to actually journal on, crocheted trim, then I used that paper again, love it. Another pocket with another cluster, more tags here, another journal card there, it's a postcard, and that again is ARTYmaze. So is this little bit of trim there. We have another pocket, postcard, and this is from the stackables, and you get on a page with them with the tags anyway, because there's other things in that kit, but with these you get 2 tags and two things like these. You get a big one and a little one. You can use them separately, you can build them up. I've done a little bit of both with them. That's a paper pad that I have, and I just coffee dyed it. This is ARTYmaze there. Here we've got another cluster, paper clips just holding that closed like so, and I'll just pop that back in. And then here we've got, that's from the stackables. I think that's what it's from, could be wrong. Just a piece of paper from one of ARTYmaze's kits that you can, it's like a double journal card. You could taper it there to make it look like a tag. You could actually make that into a little booklet and add some pages to it. More ARTYmaze paper. Here we've got another postcard and another tag there. Trim, sorry I sound really bunged up, but we've had the heating on and it just dries you out. So that's the centre of the signature, and that's my little resin pieces there. Going to play around with that a little bit more, so, the resin, when I've got some time. So that's just a folded piece of digital from ARTYmaze, and that is ARTYmaze as well. I've got another cluster here. Then I put, oh, some of the words, like these words, where are they? Maybe that's the first lot that I used, to be honest. These, I've got Lisa, who is Handmade from Lisa. She is linked below, and because that's where I got them, and she has got some beautiful journals in her shop. If you want to go and check them out, you will also find below a list of people that I use like on a regular basis, and people that I'm design team for. All their links will be below. We've got that paper there again and some lace trim. We've got another tag there. Can you hear my cat out there with her jingle bells? She's so annoying. She just wants to sit right here, so I have to keep like putting her down, and then she jumps back up. She just kind of wants to be in my workspace. So we've got some tags here. That's a freebie over on my coffee shop, and that's Tsunami Rose. This is a bit of ARTYmaze there, and that is from TaylorMadeJournals. Sorry, I was just having a little drink. That is ARTYmaze there. I fell in love with this. Now, I know obviously you haven't got Tesco's in America, but here in the UK we've got a shop called Tesco's, and this no added sugar ginger beer is amazing. I haven't had ginger beer for years, and all of a sudden I've taken a right shine to it. So here we've got a little tag and a tag here. I made that ages ago. I found that in my box of bits. So that goes there. And that goes just on there, so you can write on here. Here we have another postcard, another double tag there. And so on all the pockets, that was where I put all the clusters. So I will link that video on the screen at the end, so you can go and watch it. But if I forget, it's in my Christmas playlist of like Christmas projects, which I will link below. I'll try and remember. Another collage tag. That was a freebie, I think, on my coffee shop, and the bits there is from ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose and TaylorMadeJournals, and all of them ladies are linked below. And then there we go, the back page. So that is the journal. So if you're interested in this, you can find it in my coffee shop. My website is now completely closed. If you're looking at old videos and you see my website, you're not going to see nothing. So this is now on my coffee, and yeah, I'm well pleased with them. I love like how easy it is to use that, but like I said, always wear gloves and in a well ventilated room. But how quick it dries as well if you've got the UV light, which I think you do need, to be honest. So yeah, so there we go. Hope you're all having a good day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.